So I have this tethered already to my battery. And if you want to watch that video, the link is in the description below. This is for the trickle charger. And then you can just go ahead and attach many things to this. I'm going to go ahead and add the USB charger to this. This is the main component where you plug in the charger. Yeah, the USB-C and the USB-A. And here's the thing. Gonna get connected to the battery, to this thing right here, and then I'm gonna take off the side panel and then wire it through to the handlebar. Then we have this leveled up so that way it doesn't hit the tank.